Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my spring FabFitFun box. FabFitFun is a seasonal lifestyle box. You get one box winter, spring, summer, fall. It can have beauty items, home decor, fitness, fashion. It's $54 a box if you don't want to be an annual member, or you pay less to be an annual member, and I cannot remember. They just changed the price. I think it used to be like $179. I don't remember now what the annual membership is. That's what I get. I should remember, but I don't. And with that, you can completely customize your box. So let's get into this box and see what I got. I don't even remember what I picked out, so let's see. When you open the box, you always have coupons, always from HelloFresh, but different coupons, stickers, and then you have a magazine. And the magazine's kind of like the box. It's full of articles on lifestyle, health and fitness. It talks about some of the products. It always has some inspirational something in it. I took that out and I don't have it in here with me, so. The first thing out of my box, it's from Bando, and it is the Bando stemless wine glasses. I don't know if you can see their glitter. They're really cute. They're made out of acrylic. They're hand wash only, and they hold about 18 ounces. So I thought these were really cute and really fun. Next, I got the Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. I have not used it yet, but I love body butter, and especially in the winter. And this one, it smells like, definitely smells like citrus. It is 100% argan oil, 100% argan oil, shea butter, and avocado oil. And it's gluten-free and cruelty-free. These were a $48 value, and the Josie Marin is $38 value. Okay, next is the Hypernova Eye Serum. It's $36. They say, I haven't used it yet, but they say it reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, puffiness. It's cruelty-free, and it is from a woman-owned company, as are the glasses and the Josie Marin body butter. So that's a $36 value. Okay, next, this was in the winter box, this past winter box, and I did not get it. This is the Coach Open Circle necklace and T-Rose stud set, and it has a $125 value, and it is just these studs, and then the pretty necklace in a rose gold, and a $125 value. So next is another piece of jewelry. These are the Kate Spade mini squares stud earrings in Opalescent sparkle. And I just think those are really cute. It comes with a dust bag, same as the Coach, but I just thought these are really pretty. And they are a $32 value. Okay, next. Okay, this is the L-Space Coastal Cooler. It has a $100 value. Our kids are all in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and so we will go there, and a lot of times we'll stop at Whole Foods on our way home, or bring leftovers home, or send them home with leftovers. We can always use. We've got a big cooler we keep in the trunk of my car, but this is just for those little things that you need every once in a while. The specifics on this, it is 16 by 13 by 6, and it has the insulated lining. It's got the zipper closed, and then it's got a pocket in the front. And this is also a female-founded company. And the last thing that I got in my box is this Gaiam Studio Select. It is the petite ball, core ball. It's 8 inches in diameter once it's blown up. And then this is a core reformer, and I do Pilates. So this is, you put your feet in this one side, and then you pull and do your exercise. Never thought of that as a reformer, but I am familiar with Pilates. I do work out. This is great. This is a great something. We have an elliptical at home. I use an elliptical when I'm not working out with, I have a trainer, and I can just add this to my days that I am not working with Melina. That's what was in my box. I did get some add-ons, which the first thing I got is the Daily Hair Towel Wrap. I have several of these, not this brand and not this kind, but this is what I use when I wash my hair, is the Turby towels, and I love them. I also got this little makeup. I kind of had it in my mind that it was bigger than it is. A cosmetic organizer case, and it is pretty small, but that's okay. I am always looking for organizational tools. Then I got this Prep and Go Laura Geller Lip Scrub and Tint Duo. This side is the exfoliator. So you put that on and you let it soften your lips, and then you, leave that on for a few minutes and then rub it off. And then you put the tinted lip oil on second. So I'll give this a try and see how it is. I like the sound of it though. Let's see, what else did I get? Those were all my add-ons. And then I get refills. You get refills at a big discount. And I use this Dr. Brandt DNA Do Not Age Time Defying Cream as my night cream. And I just started using this Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum Radial by Pink Diamond. And it's got kind of iridescent. If you would like to try FabFitFun, I'll put all the details in the description. That's it for the spring box. I think it's a pretty good box. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all.